Hi dear Libra, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is Osho Zen Tarot 7 days, 7 messages reading for all of you guys from 19th till the 25th of August. Okay, you can take it as messages or warnings or guidance as per your intuition. Yeah, let's start. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Libra, let's see what are your messages from 19th till the 25th of August. From 19th till the 25th of August, what are your messages? On 19th we have the rebirth. Okay, then there is going to be something that is going to shift in you big time. You're living in some kind of conditioning or belief system, or you're scared of something, right? And one day you are going to get up and you're going to feel like, okay, today I have to connect with my inner lion. I have to connect with my strength, and the strength is to calm down the inner lion, not to get frustrated, not to get too much in complications, just trying to calm down the storm and handling it with care, handling it with love, instead of trying to force it or trying to change it or something like that. On 20th of August we have the morality. Okay, something might happen and you have to stand your ground for that. And in standing your ground, you might feel like, okay, you have to stand your moral grounds or something, but do what you feel is right for you from inside of you, instead of trying to make every other person happy, everyone involved in the situation happy. Try to do things that make sense to you. It should not make sense to everybody, it should make sense to you. Stand your ground, definitely stand your ground, but at the same time do whatever you feel is right for you on a soul level. Okay, on the 21st of August we have the playfulness. Yes, the more you are going to be in the playful energy, the more your day is going to be beautiful, the more you are going to feel life is beautiful, life is easy to live, life is easy to understand. It's difficult for you guys to navigate through this energies of not so good, feeling not so good about your life. It's difficult, right? But a little bit of playfulness, like playing around with kids or going to some movies or having some entertainment or doing some dumb shit, right? Like I do sometimes. I just lie down on the ground in front of everybody in green grass, and I just play like kids. So playfulness is very important for you guys on 21st. 22nd of August we have healing. Lot of healing is coming. Either you will be going towards a healer or counselor or spiritual person or somebody who can help you to get out of your painful energy, or something might happen that is going to trigger your healing in some way, shape or form, and you are going to be vulnerable in front of somebody, at least one person, at least one energy. You are going to be vulnerable in front of them, and you are going to be in this energy of, now I have to start my healing process, or it will start itself because you are going to get triggered by something or someone. On 22nd of August, on 23rd we have the creator. So I think you are, again, I do see 22nd and 23rd is a day where you are going to find some guru, some spiritual healer, some counselor, some therapist, or somebody with whom you can share your traumas or share your pain with. And from this point onwards, a spiritual journey will start, a healing journey will start. And make sure, I mean, just a gentle reminder, the universe got your back and you're on the right track, and you will be able to find out a solution to the spiritual problems, maybe spiritual obstacles or challenges that you're facing in your journey. Definitely. For others of you, you might be healing from an illness, from a sickness, from something that you're struggling with from a very long time. You will definitely get some kind of solution or answer. Okay, now on 24th, we have the compromise. Okay, on 24th of August, there might be some kind of issues in your family or with your friends or somebody who is quite close to you. So instead of trying to prove who is right, who is wrong here, try to find a middle ground in the situation. If you will be able to compromise in the situation in some way, shape, form, you will be able to find a solution. Instead of trying to save the ego, protect the ego, try to protect the relationship, or the connection, because that is more important, that is more important than ego, fake ego, or what we call that, fake. mm, yeah, let's call it fake ego. My mind is not working. Anyway, so compromise is required. A middle ground is required in order to find a solution to a problem that you're facing in a particular situation. Whether it's like a friendship kind of a deal or work related area or whatever it is, middle ground. Try to find a middle ground. Last day, 25th of August, guidance. You are going to get guidance from somewhere, might be in dreams, or might be somebody is going to give you a guidance that you might not take at that time, but that is going to prove to be very valuable in the coming future. It's like out of the blue, somebody is going to tell you something or say you something. Like, for example, just giving you an example. So, for example, you have a garment shop, and you met somebody and they are telling you about clothes or fabric or something like that. Take it as a sign from the universe that you should do that, or you should try to apply that kind of guidance in your business, in your garment business, so that it can flourish. Maybe not that time, not right now, right away, but in the coming future. So like that, you are going to get guidance from something or someone, and might be you will not be able to make sense of that on that particular day, but it will definitely help you in the coming future. So just stay like alert. Stay alert. Yeah, that is what I'm getting. So these are the messages for you guys for this week. 7 messages, 7 days for this week. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.